Good morning, Mia. Happy Friday. Today we're going to be working on goal number 3. Let's go over our goal. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, and model prompts, Mia will solve simple addition problems by adding within 1 to 5 with 70% of the time. So let's look at our assignment. This is the assignment that we're going to be working on, Mia. Addition. Count the objects, write the numbers, and find the sum for numbers 1 to 5. So we're going to count 1, 2. So we have 1. You write number 1, and then number 1 over here. 1 plus 1, 1, 2. That is our answer. Number 2. You write a number 2. Let's look at the next one. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3. So you write number 3, 1, 2, write number 2, so 3 plus 2 equals, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, and you write number 5. Good. Go ahead and complete the other 2. You're going to do awesome. Now let's go ahead and look at goal number 4. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given a picture card of quantity from 1 to 5 in visual, verbal, and model prompts, Mia will count the numbers of objects, manipulatives, counters, counting cubes, to demonstrate one-to-one correspondence and choose a correct number. Response card with 70% accuracy. So let's go ahead and look at our assignment. We are working on this assignment right now. It says count the vehicles in each row, write the number in the box. Let's count, Mia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you would write number 5 at the end. Let's count the next row. 1, 2, 3. 3 airplanes. So write number 3. Let's count the trucks. How many trucks do we have? 1. So you write a number 1. And continue with the rest, Mia. You need to count and write the correct number.